Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello students, you are welcome to ICA Ambition Academy Kandiaro. Online classes of English by Professor Muhammad Safat Saito. This is lecture 2 regarding MCQs of articles, part 2. As explained in my first lecture, you have to apply your mind and find the correct answers in this slide, and then I will show you the correct answers and explain. Okay? Read the sentences carefully and find the correct answer. All the rules regarding articles have already been explained to you during lectures at the Academy. You should consult my notes, study them. Okay, I am changing the slide. The correct option of question number 1 to 6 is A. In the 1920s, the world faced the devastation of World War II. We use article the before decades. For example, the 1920s, the 1930s, the 1940s. So, before decades, we always use definite article the. Question 1 to 7. After World War II, East Germany came into Russian control. Before name of countries, we do not use article, but the names of countries which contain adjectives before them usually take article with the exception of Great Britain. But if the adjective is east, west, north, south, then we will not use any article. So, no article is used with east, west, north, south. Use the adjectives with nouns. But if east, west, north and south are used as nouns, then certainly they will take article. For example, the north of Pakistan is very beautiful. Here, north is the name of the area, region. It's a noun, so it will take article. Here, east is as adjective, and so east, west, north, south, if used as adjective before noun, will not take article. 1 to 8. The fifth musician also played the flute. Ordinals and names of musical instruments take article the. Ordinals, if used before a noun, as sequence words, take article the. And all musical instruments used in general take article the. 1 to 9. The sun rises in the east. Option B. In both cases, the will be used because sun, moon and earth take article the. Likewise, here east is also used as noun, name of the direction. So it will take article the. Heavenly bodies like sun, moon, sky, names of direction take article the. America dropped atom bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki during World War II. The correction option is C, no article. Though historical events take article the, all historical events usually take article the, but World War I or World War II do not take article the. But if we say First World War or Second World War, then we will use article the. The Second World War, the First World War, but if we write World War One or World War Two in Roman, we do not use article the. Okay, see the next slide. Apply your mind. Try to understand the words, in what sense they are used. They are adjectives or nouns. Okay? His brother lives in Africa. The correct answer is D, no article, because Africa is the name of continent. And name of the continents do not take article. Who is captain of our hockey team? Correct option is B, no article, because no article is used before a designation denoting a unique position. Means a position usually held by one person at one time. In such cases, we do not use article. He lives in the north of Spain. The option is B. Here, north is the name of the region. It's not used as adjective before a noun, but here it is itself a noun, so it will take article the. There is a wood at the end of the road. A wood. Wood usually is a material noun, but here it has been taken as common noun. Wood means jungle. Here wood means jungle, so it will take article A. Who invented the telephone? Because we use article the before names of inventions. Telephone is an invention, so it will take article the. Apply your mind here, please. See the answers. Building of Karachi airport is nice one. The rule is that no article is used before name of a building, which is combination of town plus building. Name of town plus building will not take any article. Karachi is the name of town or city, and then airport. Airport is a building, so it will not take any article. Faisalabad is the Manchester of Pakistan. We use the Manchester. Manchester is proper noun, but here Manchester is used as a common noun. Means a city with a cloth industry, with textile industry, hub of textile. Manchester means hub of textile. So, rule is that when proper noun is used as common noun, then it will take article the. Like during my lectures, I told you, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Here Kalidas means the great dramatist. Poets usually praise the beauty of the moon because we use the before names of unique of their kind, especially the moon, the sun, the earth. Jupiter is the largest of the planets. Rule is that heavenly body like Sun, Moon and Earth take article D, but all other heavenly bodies do not take article D. So here no article will be used before Jupiter. England is based in spring, though based is superlative, but we do not use the before superlative if the thing is not compared with other things. Our superlative is not immediately followed by a noun. In such cases, there is no need of article the before a superlative. Read the slide. Try to find the answers. All these rules have already been explained to you. The crew went to sea yesterday. Mostly with sea, river and all other things, we use article the. But when sea with crew, with sailor, are people going to the sea for work or voyage, we do not use article the before sea. Going to sea means going to work in the sea. But going to the sea means not necessary to work in the water, but go near a sea. So here, no article will be used. Remember that with sailors, crew, we do not use article the in case of sea. Engineering is a well-paid job. We do not use any article before names of professions, like medicine is a noble job. Medicine is a noble profession. We do not use article the before engineering or medicine. 143. The higher we go, the cooler we feel. Correct option is A. They should be used before both comparative degrees when they are used in a sentence for proportion. In both such cases, we will use article the. In error detection, sometimes they say the higher we go, cooler we feel. Here you will use article the, or the higher we go, the coolest we feel. No, this is also wrong. Comparison must be same, of the same degree. Cricket is played all over Pakistan. Correct option is C. No article will be used in both cases because we do not use article before names of games or sports and countries if they do not contain the word of or any adjective or they are not plurals. So in this case, country will also not take article and cricket will also not take article. I have been invited by the Sumros. When family names are used in plural, we always use article before them. I've been invited by the Sumros, by the Sahtos, by the Memons, by the Gangros, etc. See the slide? The Christians celebrate Christmas and Easter. No article will be used in both cases because Christmas and Easter, like Eid al-Fitr, are calendar items. And calendar items as festivals and public holidays do not take article. Great Britain takes very heavy loads across the sea. The Great Britain. Here, Great Britain is the name of a ship, is clear in the sentence, so it will take article the. But Great Britain as a country will not take article the because it is an exception. Though great is adjective and it is before Britain, and as a rule, it should take article the, but Great Britain is the exception. It will not take article the if used as a country. But here, Great Britain is the name of a ship, and the ship names take article the. Like the Great Britain, the Titanic, ship names take article the. He worked as a guide without a cell phone. Correct option is B, because the words as, without, with, what, such usually take article after them. Here as and without have been used, and after these words we always use some kind of article. So here these are common nouns and they will take article A. Correct option is B. He is the richer of the two friends, because we use article the before choices in comparative degree. If there are choices, choices is also a specification, a specific person. So it needs article the. I've just bought a piano. Here there's no, piano is not used as an instrument. Like I say, I like playing the piano. I like playing the piano. But here it is used as device, as instrument, as a common noun. So singular common nouns used in general take indefinite article. So I will use it as article A. While reading the questions, you must see what kind of nouns, adjectives, or clauses are used. The correct answer of 151 is B. You are the only student who do not make noise. The clause introduced by only always take article the, because only also separates this student from others, makes it a particular student. Which student who do not make noise? Is the only students. It is specific, it's particular. So it will take article the. Could I have 2 apples and a tin of Pepsi? Tin can be used in different ways. Tin as a material noun will not take article the. Here tin is used as a common noun, so it will take article A. Singular common noun used in general take indefinite article. Here in the numerical sense of 1. Would I have 2 apples and a tin, means 1 tin of Pepsi. So here tin will take article A. 153. During any crisis, you should call the police. The correct is option B, because police is a service like the army, the police, the radio, the newspaper. Such words take article D. The boy who delivers the paper is late today. Correct option is A. When reference is made to any institution shared by the community, article D is used, such as the radio, the newspaper, the paper, the train, the police, the army, the postman, the dustman. All these words take article D because they are all shared by the community and community knows which person we are going to talk about. This is the last slide of today's lecture. Read it carefully. I won't take a chocolate, thanks, although they look very nice. The correct option is C. Here chocolate is used as a common noun and A is used in numerical sense. Otherwise, chocolate, if used as material noun, will not take an article. Like chocolate is not good for the teeth. Here chocolate will not take article because by chocolate we mean material noun. Material nouns do not take article. But here it has been used as a common noun. Most doctors say, yes, the same sentence I just explained to you. Most doctors say chocolate is bad for you. Correct option is A, no article. Here chocolate used as a material noun, so no article will be used. Put some money in the tin by the door when you leave, please. B. Some specific box of tin by the door is mentioned. Here, tin has been used as a noun, but some specific noun. The tin by the door. Which tin? The tin which is lying by the door. So it will take, it is specific, it's particular. We are referring to some specific tin. So it will take article D. It was very strange. A shirt made of paper. Here paper has been used as material noun. Paper, kagas. So material nouns do not take any article. Okay, I think it's sufficient for today's lecture. MCQs of articles are complete. Inshallah, tomorrow I record lecture for you regarding MCQs of subject-verb agreement. Subject-verb agreement has already been explained to students at the academy in detail. You should consult or study my notes before I record the lecture and send it to you. Okay, I think it's sufficient today. Bye. Thank you.